Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your Snapchat account on your device. Before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. Let us get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. On the home page, tap on the profile icon or the Bitmoji in the top left corner. Next page, you will land inside profile information. From here, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, you will land inside settings page, and here you have different information. So on this following page, go to support. Just simply scroll down, and right in between you'll find support. On the support, you can see right on top there is I need help. Tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other page you will land inside help center. On this following page, scroll down, and there you can see contact us, and under it you can see multiple options. So from here you'll have to tap on managing my account. Once you tap on managing my account, the page expands. Now from here you'll have to tap on deleting or reactivating my account, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you tap on it, on the other page you get two different options, that is how do I reactivate my Snapchat account and how do I delete my Snapchat account. So as per this video, as we are deleting your account, so you'll have to tap on how do I delete my account. On the other side there is a whole page of articles, so make sure to go through it and then slightly scroll down, and right in between you'll find a link, so then tap on it. As you tap on the link, once again on the other page you have an article, so make sure to go through it, and here it says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. But in the meantime, if you change your mind, you can still log in within 30 days. Once you've gone through the article, scroll down, and before deleting your account you must provide your information, so that would be your password. So then enter the correct password that is associated with your Snapchat account. Once you're done, tap on continue. Over here you can see that my account has been deactivated. As I've already mentioned before that it will take 30 days in order to delete your account permanently. Now all you can do is wait patiently for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. And that is how you can delete your Snapchat account on your device. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.